Imagine uploading 50 new products to your store and realizing you have to write a description for every single one. Your brain starts screaming, your coffee goes cold, and you wonder if it's worth the trouble. Product descriptions can feel like a time-sucking nightmare, especially when you want them to be engaging, persuasive, and SEO-friendly. But what if I told you there's a single prompt that could write all your product descriptions in bulk? One prompt that turns hours of work into just minutes? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Welcome to Prompt Yogi, where we make AI work smarter, so you don't have to work harder. And before we go further, every single prompt I'm about to share in this video is listed in the description box, so you can copy and start using them right away. Here's the problem with product descriptions. Most people either make them too generic, just a list of features, or they overdo it with so much fluff that customers don't know what's actually being sold. The key is balance. A clear, benefit-driven description with the right keywords in the right tone for your brand. And that's exactly what we can make AI do with one carefully crafted master prompt. Let's break it down. You start by giving the AI 3 essential ingredients. First, the context. What your business sells, who your target audience is, and your brand's voice. Second, the data, the list of product names and key features. Third, the goal, what you want the description to achieve, whether it's increasing conversions, improving SEO, or telling a brand story. Now here's what a powerful bulk description prompt might look like. You are an experienced e-commerce copywriter for your business niche. I will give you a list of product names and features. Write a 100 to 150 word product description for each that is persuasive, benefit-driven, and SEO optimized. Use a tone that matches your brand style. Make each description unique and compelling enough to encourage purchase. You simply paste in your product list, hit enter, and the AI starts spitting out polished, ready-to-use descriptions one after another. You can then take it a step further by saying, now add a short, catchy tagline for each product, under 10 words, that I can use as a highlight in my marketing. That's how you turn a plain prompt into a sales-generating machine. And here's the best part. Because the AI already understands your brand tone from the context you gave, every single description feels consistent. Whether you're selling jewelry, tech gadgets, skincare, or clothing, your customers will get the same voice and energy across your entire store. And if you want to make the descriptions even more effective, you can chain prompts together. For example, for each product description you just wrote, generate 5 bullet points summarizing its key benefits and features for quick scanning. Now you have not only the full product descriptions, but also bite-sized selling points for your product pages, ads, and social media. This method doesn't just save time, it eliminates the creative burnout that comes from writing similar descriptions over and over again. You get more energy to focus on strategy, marketing, and connecting with your customers, while AI handles the repetitive work in the background. And yes, all the prompts I've mentioned are in the description box, so you can literally copy, paste, and start generating your own bulk product descriptions today. No excuses. So next time you're faced with a long list of products waiting for descriptions, remember, you don't have to type them one by one. Just give AI the right instructions and watch it deliver consistent, persuasive, high-converting copy in minutes. That's the power of prompt mastery. And that's what Prompt Yogi is all about, turning your words into results faster than ever. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more prompt secrets, and let me know in the comments which niche you want me to tackle next. And don't forget to check the description for your ready-to-use prompts. Your bulk product description days just got a whole lot easier.